Hello and welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Today, education report. Today we talk about why some students succeed while others struggle in school and daily life. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Education is important for every student. Students around the world work hard to achieve success. They want good grades, good jobs, and better future. However, not all students achieve the same results. Some students succeed, others continue to struggle. Why does this happen? Experts say success depends on habits, discipline, focus, and confidence. Today, we look at the reasons behind student success and failure. Part 2. The power of good habits. Teachers say successful students usually follow good habits. They wake up early, they attend classes regularly, they complete homework on time. Many successful students also create study routines. For example, some students study at the same time every day. This helps them stay organized and focused. Experts believe small habits create long-term success. Students who practice daily often improve faster than students who study only before exams. Time management. Time management is another important factor. Many students waste time on social media, games, or unnecessary activities. As a result, they have less time to study and prepare. Successful students usually plan their day carefully. They balance study, rest, and personal activities. Experts say students should create daily schedules and avoid distractions while studying. Good time management helps students reduce stress and improve performance. Part 4. Technology and distractions. Technology can help students learn. Online classes, educational videos, and learning apps provide useful information. However, technology can also create distractions. Many students spend too much time watching entertainment videos or scrolling through social media. Experts warn that too much screen time can reduce concentration and motivation. Students should use technology wisely and focus on educational content. Part 5. Confidence and motivation. Confidence is very important for success. Some students stop trying because they fear failure. Teachers say mistakes are part of learning. Successful students continue practicing even when learning becomes difficult. Experts encourage students to believe in themselves and stay positive. Simple positive thoughts can help. I can improve. I will continue learning. I will not give up. Motivation and confidence help students overcome challenge. Part 6. Learning from failure. Failure does not mean the end. Many successful people failed before achieving success. Experts say failure teaches important lessons. Students who learn from mistakes often become stronger and more experienced. Instead of giving up, students should ask, what can I improve? How can I do better next time? Learning from failure creates growth and maturity. Part 7. Final message. Education can change lives. Students who stay disciplined and focused can create better futures for themselves and their families. Success does not happen overnight. It requires patience, effort, and consistency. Every small step matters. Teachers say students should continue learning every day and never lose hope. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons and education report. Thank you very much.